So magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ngayon, pag-aaralan naman natin ang sum and difference of two cubes. So simulan na natin. Meron ako ditong prepare na problem. So factor 8m cubed plus 216. Okay? And we all know that this is the sum of two cube y because our first term is a cube and our operation being used is plus or addition, and also our last term is a cube. Okay, so basically this is the sum of two cubes or STC. So in order to factor this, we're going to use the formula x cubed plus y cubed are equal to the product of x plus y and x squared minus xy plus y squared. Pero bago natin gamitin tong formula na to or i-factor natin ito using this formula of sum of two cubes or STC, ang goal muna natin, identify muna natin ano ba yung magiging y natin, alin ba yung magiging x natin. Okay? So, isulat ko lang ulit itong ating problem, 8m cubed plus 216. Okay, ang goal natin dito, our first goal is identify natin yung x and y. Okay? So, itong 8, 'di ba? This is a perfect cube number. So, pwede natin siyang gawing 2 cube. Also, itong 216, perfect cube number din siya. So, pwede natin siyang gawing 6 cube. Bakit naging 6 cube? Because 6 cube or 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. Ganon din sa 8. Bakit naging 2 cube? Because 2 cube or 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So, we will get 2 cube m cube plus 6 cube. Okay? So, kung mapapansin natin dito, itong 2 cube n cube, nagmumultiply siya. So, pag ganito yung case, parehas sila ng degree, pwede natin silang pagsamahin. Okay? Pag-isahin. So, we will get 2m cube plus 6 cube. Ayan. Para hindi kayo malito, nilagyan ko na din ng parentheses itong 6 and then yung nakaraise sa kanyang 3 para mas madali natin ma-identify yung x at saka yung y natin. Okay? So, ang magiging x na natin dito, itong 2m and our y, ang magiging y naman natin ay itong 6. Okay? So, for our solution, ayan, na-identify na natin yung x and y natin. Pwede na tayong mag-solve for our solution. So, gagamitin na natin yung formula. Ayan, nilagay ko lang 8m cubed plus 216 equal dun sa ating formula na nasa taas. Nilagay ko lang para di kayo malito. And then, now, we can substitute our x and y's to our formula. So, ayan, yung x natin, pinalitan na natin ng 2m, and then yung y naman natin ay pinalitan na natin ng 6. So, we will get the product of 2m plus 6 and 2m square minus 2m times 6 plus 6 square. Okay? So, by simplifying this, pwede nating itong ditong square natin, pwede nating i-distribute dito sa 2 and dito sa m. Okay? And then, ayan. And then, itong 2 at saka 6, pwede natin silang mamultiply sa isa't isa. And then, itong 6 ay naka-raise sa 2, so pwede natin din ilagay yan dyan. Okay? So, we will get the product of 2m plus 6. Ayan, na-distribute na yung 2 dun sa ating term na nasa loob. So, we will get 2 squared m squared minus, ayan, na-multiply na din yung 2 tsaka 6. So, 2 times 6 is 12. And then, ayun, na-distribute din yung 2 dun sa 6. Okay? So, sagot na ba yan? Hindi pa. Pwede pa natin silang masimplify. Okay? So, as you can see, 2 square, pwede na maging, gagawin na natin yung 4 because 2 square is 4, okay? And then yung 6i, pwede natin din i-simplify. So, magiging 36 na yan, okay? So, for our answer, the factor of 8m cubed plus 216 is equal to the product of 2m plus 6 and 4m square minus 12m plus 36. Okay? So, nagets ba? Gets ba? Okay.